In this short little video, just want to show you how to export as a PNG. So the assignment is that you are going to create a t-shirt design. That design, you have to have the artboard at 14 inches wide by 16 inches tall. You're going to do your design. You don't want to have a background because you want to have it be transparent because you're printing on the t-shirt. If you have any color, it's going to print as a box. Unless you want it to be a box, then that's fine too. After you get done designing, you're ready to export. You want to go to File, Export, Export As. Okay, not expecting you to remember the hotkey, but if you want to go Alt, Shift, Control, W, you can do that. But I always go to File, Export, Export As. And then when you get to this window here, you have format options. So in the file settings in the top right, you want to make sure that you are under PNG and then hit export. You want to make sure you know where you're saving it to. So I'll just go to my documents folder. I'll go to my downloads folder because I know this is going to be a sample file. But for you, make sure you know where you're saving it to. And that way you can get it up in Google Classroom. You want to make sure to name it. So it's going to be your name and DTG, and then PNG is the default. And then you're good to go. So basically in Photoshop, as long as you set the file up correctly, meaning file, open, file, new, it's going to be 14 inches wide, 16 inches tall, resolution 300. As long as you have those three things and transparent for the background contents, this is exactly what you want to see. Design your heart out and then export it from here. It's going to save it as a high resolution file. That's it. That's all, folks.